What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. A lot of people ask me, Jimmy, tell us some of the best Python books. I am not going to pick like absolutely newbie book. I'm going to pick the 3 books which you can master or become at the advanced level. I mean, in the beginning you can learn Python from Code Academy, you can learn Python online, you can watch YouTube tutorials. I mean, you pick up any beginner Python book, it will, do well. I mean, you can pick up the no scratch, press crash 101 course Python book. Again, it doesn't really matter. The thing matter is that when you finish your first Python book, when you finish your first Python project, whether you learn by watching the Linda video or you bought a course on Python, and then where you should go, you need these 3 Python books. This is a card, this is a book, this is a book. Let me talk about this one. This one I recommend for every Python, for reference, for newbie, for anyone. Why? This is a Python card. I will be doing the review, wait for the review because I need to read all of the cards. For example, I pick up like a maybe some kind of maybe some kind of like tuples card or like removing item card. How to remove an item? As you can see, there will be a code written behind it. Can you see or not? The code, can the camera focus or not? Yeah, there will be a code written behind it. You just can't go wrong with it. You literally need this thing. This you finish learning or as a reference and then go. I think so no one ever done this before. I salute no again I'm getting tongue tie problem. I salute no stretch press, to be honest with you. And number 2 is that Mission Python, Code a Space game. I have started reading this book. I didn't complete it because I already know a lot of stuff. This is building a 2D game. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Colorful book. If you want to build a 2D game, I always recommend JavaScript or Python for the 2D game. Again, from no stretch press. This is amazing book. You just need this book. To be honest with you, you just need it. And finally, one of my favorite is that after you build a game, after you know the Python variable, the function, what one of each of the function do, now you need to build some real world project. I recommend this book. This is the, okay, let me put this one aside. This is the Impractical Python project. As you can see, this is an amazing book, to be honest with you. Amazing book. Let me show you from the start the project. You'll be having like how many projects? Can you see or not? Okay, 12, 13, 15, 16 project. You will be having 16 projects. This book is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. Again, discover the Python 3. All of the links are in the description box below. If you're serious about learning Python, then these books are for you. Subscribe and buy.